I'm a patient in TenderCare Dental in Tigard, and I've had this anti-snore device for about 9 months. And when I first got it, it worked very well. My husband said I didn't snore at all. And all this time I've been using it, I haven't felt any pain. It's been very comfortable. My jaw at first was a little sore, but I got used to that, I guess, and now I can wear it without any discomfort at all. And every once in a while I have to change the bands on it to make it a little tighter, but whatever works, works. And if I start to snore, then I change a band and then it works again. So I really like it.